2024 Ford Mustang. With less than 31,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.